this is Amit and today we are going to do the unboxing of One More's latest earphones. Technically they call it as the headphones, and this is the One More iBFree Sport Bluetooth in-ear headphones. This is how the packaging looks like, and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing and also be trying out these headphones and sharing my experiences around the same. Let's open up the package first and show you what we get. First thing first, if you look at the site, the MRP mentioned here is 3,999 rupees, while it's available at around 2,800 rupees. Again, the link is in the description to know more about this product. On the rear we have all the information about this earphone or the headphone, whatever they call it, and it's clearly mentioned that it comes with a weight of 16 grams and it comes with a talk time of 8 hours, which is good enough, and also a standby of 32 hours, which is good enough if you are frequently listening to music or answering calls. Let's open up this specific unit and show you what we get. The first thing first which you notice on the left is that its company address is mentioned as USA while it's made in China. Let's open up this package now. And the moment you open the package, you have the beautiful earphone in black color variant, and there's the One More branding. Again, I guess there are two different boxes here. The first one is this, the second one is this, and then we have their logo in the form of a sticker, which is One More. I guess this is something, if you're a fan, you can stick it somewhere. And then you have this user guide which gives you more information how to use it. Again, it's almost in Chinese and in English, I guess. Yep, that's the thing which we get. And then we have this little box within which, once you open it, you have some extra earplugs, I presume, and also a little cable that's a micro USB cable to charge the earphones. Again, let's open up these subsections where you can notice that you have a few earplugs. Again, technically we have 4 earplugs, which is 2 pairs, and apart from that you also have some tips, and there are also again 4 of those. So this is what we get. The moment you open this, you notice that the earphones are does look like some premium quality products, and this is what you get. The first thing which you would notice is this huge sticker which has the One More branding, and it also has a QR code for warranty. And apart from that, you have this little controller. Again, there is a little section here which once you pull out, obviously I guess to start charging, you have the micro USB port here, and apart from that you have this on off switch and the controllers to play, pause the music, and also increase and decrease the volume. That's the volume controllers over this. Again, you also have a blue and red color notification light within the same, and it's right now I guess in the pairing mode. Definitely on the earplugs you can notice that the quality is very good. Again, do make note that the biggest important feature of this specific unit is that it comes with IPX6, which means that it comes with complete waterproof feature, wherein you can even swim, you can even run in the rains. You won't have any problems with the sweat on this specific unit. So that is something which is very good, and definitely the quality does look good. Again, I think there is a little cost cutting done. If they would have offered a magnetic thing here, it would have worked great. I mean, wearing it like a neckband, and but that's not available here. And when you talk about the branding approach, it's very subtle. There's no branding available here. One More, very little branding available, which is not clearly visible, which is a good thing in my opinion, so that you don't shout out that you're wearing this brand's earplugs. Let me just pair it with my smartphone right now and then play some music and share my experience around the same. So the pairing was very easy. It was one tap, and within Bluetooth I got this option wherein it says One More iBFree, and it also shows battery percentage, which is 60% battery right now. And frankly, it's very lightweight, which is again 16 grams, but I don't even notice that I'm actually wearing this. And let me see, playing some music. The bass is very good, and the audio quality is also very neat. I mean, one thing which I just noticed that, if you're listening to music on maybe like 80% volume or 90% volume, the volume does leak out, and others can also listen to your music. So it's not perfectly working that in that area. But again, overall it's a beautiful and a nice earphone with the bass being very good, and the quality is also very good. So that is something which I can recommend. But again, I really wish, as I mentioned earlier, if there was an option to just pair this way like the ones which I had on the OnePlus earphones, then it would have been great, because that way I don't have to worry and they can always stick here and I can also pause the music. But that's it for now, guys. This was the latest earphone. That's what I call headphone, which One More calls, from One More. That's the iBFree. That's it for now, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and stay subscribed to my new channel for more videos like this. I'm Amit and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and bye.